Good morning! (8:30 na. So, today is July 27. Laboratory day. Guys, pakita ko sa inyo yung kwarto namin. Sobrang gulo. Tadadan. Tadadadadadadan. Ang gulo, grabe. So, right now, gulo ng kwarto namin. So, meron kami laboratory today. Kasi yung asawa ko, wala na. Hindi pa nag-good morning sa vlog ko. Pero meron kaming lab today. Kailangan 9:10 ang laboratory namin. 9 ng umaga. Ang aming lab. So, we do our lab every year, yearly. Siyempre, no? And then I do my pap smear every December. But right now, I don't want to do my pap smear kasi sabi nila masama daw. I don't know. Pero, I want it. Kasi December, schedule ko ng pap smear. We have to take care of ourselves, diba? So, wala naman mag-aalaga ng katawan natin. Kundi tayo lang. So, tayo. Okay. Kunin ko yung aking sapatos. Sapatos ko is Doc Martens. Yan, bigyan ng husband ko. Doc Martens. Actually guys, ang gulo talaga ng bahay na kwarto namin. Oh, naglaba kami kaninang umaga. Maagang-maaga kami naglaba. Actually, every Monday kasi off namin. So, naglalaba. Ito ang OOTD ko for today. Tingnan mo, OOTD ko today. Ayan, diba? OOTD. O, diba? So, OOTD ko. Wala akong alahas. Baka mahihita ako. Hirap na. So, I have water. I have this one. So, hindi pa naman ako mag-alahas. Okay. Susi. Pagdating ko yung laptop ko kasi mag-edit ako. Actually, ito ka. Ano na, diba? Babasa-basa. May assignment ako eh. So, working. Can do your studying. Okay, guys. Tara, at tayo.
Your doctor.
Okay.
Sabi ko ay forgot the name.
Baby Soriana.
Santiago.
Santiago.
Santiago. I was looking for the name. Dr. Santiago.
Oh.
I find it. Tapos sabi niya Santiago. Maybe Soriano. Yeah. Sabi ko Soriano. Same Soriano. Okay. After the blood thinking okay, I'm gonna send this to Dr. Santiago. No, don't send it to him.
Santiago. Yes, guys. Dan na ang aming tawag dito dati.
Request.
Quest. Ayan o, si Quest. Yan na kami nagpalab kay Quest. Unfortunately, hindi ko na kayo pinasok kasi baka bawal. Mahirap na. Pero tayo, that's a medical, clinic pala, may clinic. So, yun, sa tagal ng kami kumain. Ano tayo kumain di? Kagabi?
Gabi na,
Alas 7. So, fasting. Ngayon, gutom na gutom. Pupunta kami out to our favorite restaurant, Dad. What is it? Norms. Hey, see you there, guys.
Steak and egg.
Steak and egg. May cider pancake o yung waffle. Mas okay yung waffle kasi konti lang. Ang pancake kasi dalawa, no? Ang laki. Sobrang laki. Hindi kaya ng powers ko. Tapos, coffee. It's vanilla.
Ano yun?
French vanilla. My favorite. So, that's our... Pwede na siguro to, no? Matanggal na. Oh. Evidence ba?
Nag-heal ka na. Akong diabetes. may
Iwanan ko na
diabetes
itong
ka.
laptop ko.
Oo.
Makain ako eh, no?
Pag may diabetes ka lang, tsaka lang.
Hindi naghihing.
Hiyag.
Okay.
Ay, tusok lang. Kaya iwasan ang
Wala nga akong dugo, oh.
sugar. Yes, please.
Ayan, oh. Norms. Favorite norms. You have a nice smile. True.
Did you guys do the table and chairs today or blue?
Doesn't matter. Good.
Okay, you can choose between this one and that one.
You want? Here.
We try to keep you guys awake.
Thank you.
I like your camera. Are you filming?
Yeah, I'm filming you.
There you go. My name is Tanaya. I'm going to be your host today, but your waitress should be coming around. You can let me know if
You
you
have a good vibe. You're so able to smile.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'm thinking of a word, but I can't think either. But you can let me know if you need anything.
Can I have a French vanilla coffee, please?
Fresh vanilla coffee. Okay, I'll be right out with that.
How about?
Sorry, I'm not your waitress. She's going to be coming around.
Oh, it's okay. Okay. Thank you.
Perfect. Yeah, and then did you want coffee as well?
No, just tea. Green tea.
What kind of tea?
Green
Green tea?
tea.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm sorry.
Thank
I
you.
had to
Thank
get
you.
someone to reach up to me.
Thank you.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
How are you?
Yeah, we're good. We're good. Thank you. We're good and ready.
All right, what can I get for you?
She's
Waffle, please, and 2 eggs. Waffle and 2 eggs. Do you want anything on the waffle and strawberries? And then how do you want your eggs?
over medium.
Over medium?
And I'm gonna have the 1 pound
Porterhouse?
medium rare steak and egg over medium as well,
Okay.
and extra 2 eggs
Okay.
and sourdough instead of that.
You want the extra 2 eggs is over medium too? Okay.
And sourdough.
Sourdough toast?
There we go. Thank you.
Right back with your sourdough toast, okay?
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Wait.
Sourdough toast.
Kasi gumagawa ko ng sketch. Ano mo ba?
Hindi ko. Hindi.
So, baka ako lang yun. So, pinauwi na siya. So, sabi niya, uwi ka muna kung gusto mo. Kasi hindi raw lumalabas ng...
I didn't
recognize you. You change your color of your hair.
Yeah, I do
You
my...
look different.
Thank you,
I was like,
thank you.
she's
Do I look beautiful today?
You look very nice.
Yeah.
Good to
Just
see
today,
you.
just today.
No, every day.
Okay,
Good
thank
to
you.
see you.
Sabi niya, wala sabi niya. Tatayo ko. Ito po.
Sabi ko eh,
Tapos tatanungin. Tama na.
sinabi ko sa'yo, hindi ko tinanong mo tamad ba ako. Sabi ko, nakapangasawa ka ng tamad.
O, ano dapat nasagot ko?
Oo!
Ang dami.
Nagsisisi ka, tanong ko.
Nagsisisi ako. Ano dapat nasagot ko?
Oo! Simple lang yun.
Daming kalat, maglilinis ako. Ay. Wala na bang pag-ibig sa puso mo? Sige.
Mali pa
Sa lahat ng nakikinig, ano ang pinagkakaibahan ng mali sa hindi satisfied?
Mali ang ginawa ko.
Comment lang sa baba.
Ano ko, Diyos ko? Ang nakikinig.
Ano?
Sus! Kasi
Sa lahat ng ang pogi daw asawa ko. Pogi? Saan banda? Kasi ano? Anong Ano? Everything. Dead. Dead. Mas ba ko ng ngipin?
Ano?
So, ano yun? 12A? 112A? Hi. Can we order 12A? One order of 12A, please.
12 beef or Persian chicken?
No, 12A. 12A. That's beef.
The beef. Okay.
Yes.
I got you.
And
Anything else for you?
ikra? What size?
Small.
A regular? One regular ikra, one regular hummus.
We only have small or large.
Small. So, one small.
And then one hummus. Do you want extra pita with that or not? Yeah?
Yes.
Do you want extra pita for both? For the ikra and the hummus or just one?
No, just one.
Is that all for you also?
Yes.
Sounds good. So I got the 12 burger Persian beef, small side of ikra, and small side of hummus with extra pita.
Yes.
Is that for here to go?
For to go. Sweet teriyaki. Kumuha ko ng plastic para sa bukas. favorite meal, Macy's. Search, ano mo na yung Macy's? Vlog natin yung Macy's. Wow, Macy's. Bakit dalawa?
Almost.
Ah, okay.
Wala.
Ito pala yun.
Next song na pizza. Wala.
Isa, diba? Sabi nga niya, nag-execute. Ah, baka dito na nilagay. Okay. Macy's, diba? Hi. Can I get 5 pieces of hilaku? And can I do yuzu lemonade, please?
Did you want that with the mochi?
No, I don't know.
What size?
Small. That's it? Give me a sec. Okay, give me a sec. Si Espasol. Espasol po, Espasol. Ito yung ano sa Espasol.
SP. Unboxing tayo. Unboxing. Unboxing ng espresso.
Tawag.
Lupa. Lupa pala yung nabili namin.
Ayan na naman tayo. Mali na naman tayo nagbukas.
Bakit? Ano? Papa.
Paangat lang tayo. Kain na asawa ko.
Hanapin natin.
Ay, hindi. Nalagay mo muna to si Tort.
Yung pagkain ng bungo.
Kain na.
Bungo.
Kasi,
Alam mo. Lalagyan mo na lang.
konti lang. Ano yung kakainin mo lang? Kamakura.
Tama ka namin. Pura ka pa.
Kaya lang, messy kasi may powder, something powder. Pulburo. Sipol.
Nga pala, magkalaban sila ng ano. Cayetano, tawag yun. Kasi nalo, kapag vice president.
Oo.